Okay, Gran Torino Sport fans, you're looking at a beautiful yellow 72 Gran Torino Sport 429 big V8. It's been fitted with a 6-speed tremec with 456 gears. The owner has just hyped this thing up like you wouldn't believe. And it sounds really nice when it pulled in. So I wanted to come over and take a look. So he gave me the parameters on it. And sure enough, look at that. So I imagine with that 456 gear, when you go into 6th gear, it'll settle that down a little bit. Gran Torino. That brings to mind the movie made famous with Clint Eastwood, Gran Torino. But yes, a beautiful large car, high performance from Ford. And as you know, the famous Torino from Starsky and Hutch with the red and white color scheme put these on the map. But here's a very nice example of large car Ford performance. 72 Gran Torino 429 Tremec 6-speed 456 gears, Gauze Garage, Englewood, Florida. Cars and Coffee. Thank you.